there, this is my first blog and I am so excited to share a little piece of my world with you. Spiritual practice is the heart of my life. It fills my day with peace and purpose. Alongside it, I have a special passion for clay artistry, which began as a hobby and has now blossomed into a small business. Today, my desk was filled with tiny joy, miniature clay flowers in the soft petals, a cozy setup, and my favorite show playing in the background. Crafting each petals feels like a meditation, a way to express the beauty I see in this world. This space is where my devotion and creativity comes together. I can't wait to share more of my journey with you. Stay tuned for tiny blossom and heartfelt stories. Thank you.